How to fix YouTube app not working. In order for you to fix this issue, the very first step you want to do is to head over to the App Store on your device. Inside App Store, click on the search icon at the bottom right corner and search for YouTube. Simply move into this app. Right here you can see the option of update, which means that your application is not up to date and it might be the reason that you're facing the issue. In this case, simply click on update and update the app. Once you're done updating, the next thing you want to try doing is move into the settings of a device. Inside settings, head over to general and then move into iPhone storage. Move into the application YouTube. Once you're in here, click on Offload App and then once again tap on Offload App. It will clear the cache and the storage of the application. It will also remove all of the unwanted bugs and make your application run smoothly. If not, try deleting the app. Click on Delete App and then once again tap on Delete or Remove. Once it has been uninstalled, simply reinstall it. Reinstalling the app has also fixed the issue, so you might be also good to go. That's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.